back with another video, and today I'm going to build this thing of beauty. Okay, so this is what we are going to build today. A good working calculator like this. Okay, so anyone that has brackets and clear, so if I say it like this, boom, there we go. So this is a calculator. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I'll zoom it first. Okay, so first of all, I need to go in my teaching folder, and let's open our code editor in it. So boom, and I'll simply make 3 files there. Okay, why did it open? Okay, so now we are going to create 3 files, index.html. Okay, wait for a second here, guys. Index.html, style.css, script.js. Okay, there we go. So I think, okay, so it's creating the file. Okay, so it has been created. Okay, now let's go. So this, okay, it's not getting, also it's activating the extensions. Yep, there we go. Okay, yep, and there we can say that calculator, and let's start building. Okay, so I'll open this file with live server, as you know, my favorite thing. Okay, so I'll open a new window, and I'm recording by the 8 power source screen recorder because I like that. And as you can see, there we go, we have it. So I'll just move it in a new window, and let's get started. So okay, what happened? Okay, let's set it back. Now we have it. Let's check it out. So H1 hello world. That's the ball plate. Okay, so hello world. It's not refreshing. Yep, there we go, we have it. Now okay, so H1 hello world, so it's refreshing. So first we need to create the buttons. Okay, so I'll create a table and just see what I'm doing. Say that TD button 1, 2, 3. So 3 in a line. Oh, actually 4. So 3 is 4, and say, oh, so 4, isn't it? Okay, just let me check for a second. Okay, so let's check the deployed version and then start building. So these 4, so I'll get these. So this, and what is it? C and percentage. Okay, so yep, there we go, we have it. We'll style later. First just get the buttons. and I'll build another thing that's 7, 8, 9, and multiplication. So I'm using the emoji extension right about now. I'll show you that. The emoji. Okay, so I'm using this. So how to use it? Just install it and say Control Shift P. So open the command palette and then say insert emoji, and I'll say multiplication. Have a multiplication sign. So I prefer it. You can put the star there, no problem, or you can put the big X thing there, no problem. And I'll say 6. Oh, I'll say 4, 5, 6. Yep, 4, 5, 6. And I'll say insert emoji minus sign. Yep, heavy minus sign. And I'll build another saying, saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and which sign does this carry? Plus. So I'll say plus sign. So I have a plus sign, there we go. And perhaps I'll build another 4 zeros and all those things. So go down, 0 dot division equals to. So 0 that division, so division and equals to. So we have our buttons here, and so we'll in also script source script .js, and I'll link my CSS. Boom, there we go. And let's style these buttons. Okay, so CSS, and I'll wrap this in divs. So div, say class of container. Oh, I just forgot to make the input, so I'll make it input, and input to type text, name equals screen, and ID equals screen. Okay, and I'll so this and boom, so I'll format it. And even in the container, this table will be in say div class, wait, I know there's a better way, say calculator, boom, and oops, what happened? Yep, I can see that. Boom, now we can go, and now let's get this done. So I'll say that container and say that text align center, and give it a margin tab of say 20 pixels. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so it's in the center, how it should be. And let's get the table. So table, and I'll just say margin arrow. So margin arrow, and see what happens. Boom, now it's in the center. And now let's get the input. So I'll say input, say that border radius 21 pixels. I think that should be appropriate, and say border 5 pixel solid. Let's see, so get it from the deployed version. So I'll inspect. So this thing, we want this over here. So let's inspect it. Inspect. Yep. Right click. Yep, there we go. It's inspecting. And go boom. And oh, see. So yeah, this, we want this color, and I'll copy, and I can say as order this. So let's see in our here, as you can see, it's pretty cool. And let's just copy the stylings, because you know I hate to style. I mean, it does look good, but you know, not that cool. Okay. What the? Say copy property. Now we can. Ah, come on! I'll just have to write it. Say font size 34 pixels. Height 65 pixels. Height 65 pixels, and say width of 456 pixel. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so this thing over here looks like this. Okay, and let's keep going. Let's go, because I had to get the color right. And so now let's style the button. Okay, so I'll say button, say so border radius 20 pixels, and say font size 40 pixels. Oops, what happened? Oops, pixels. Say like this. And oh man, okay, this looks odd. So now can say that. Oops, what happened? Okay, I'll say that. Okay, so I'll copy these styles from the deploy version, because you know I really hate styling. Okay, so let's see how it looks. What the hell? Just give me a minute here, guys, please. Okay, so there we go. We have our stylings, and I add this. So I'll give the stylings in the description box. Okay, no problem. And now let's get the JavaScript started. Let's go. So script.js, okay, and then we'll say let our screen equal screen equal document that get element by id screen. Okay, and let's say our buttons equal document that query selector all buttons. Okay, and then we'll add a screen value. So let our screen value equal 0 for now. That means that what should be on this screen. Okay, so means this what should be in here. Okay, so let's add our for loop. So say for item in buttons in. So I figured it out that it was item of buttons, because but do different things. Say item that add event listener. Say sorry, it's click, and then say do this, and then we say get the let button text equal dot target that inner text. Okay, and then we'll say console.log button text. Okay, so let's see how it happens. So inspect, okay, yep, cancel, and let's click on a button. 7, what? 7. Okay, so it's not doing it for some reasons. I don't know why. I'll figure it out. So just give me a minute. So I figured out the bug. It wasn't anything. My computer was just lagging a little bit. So it's good. Now let's get forward. So wait, let me show you the demo. Say boom, 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 boom. So if I say 4, it prints 4. If I say 4 again, so you can see. Okay, so it 4. So 5, 6, doom, 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 doom. Okay, so that's it. And let's get to the forward part. So you can say that if, whoops, what happened? I think I control tabbed it. Oh yeah, in the script.js, if the button text equals the multiplication sign, say multiplication sign, then change the button text to the button text equals the star, means the multiplication sign. Okay, so this is emoji. In human, if the human says it, it will tag that this is a multiplication sign, but when it comes to the JavaScript, this is an emoji. JavaScript, that this star is multiplication. So change that. So let's just forget this for a moment. Let's say if I say eval whatever the screen text is. So screen text. So eval the screen value. Okay, so screen value, let's change the screen value for say screen dot value. Okay, let's check it out. So now if we say, oh wait, we do that thing. Wait, did we? Okay, so first of all, we need to say that don't cancel that log screen value equals the button text. Okay, so scale plus equals the button text. My bad. You can say 7 plus 8 and nothing will happen. Wrong. Invalid or expected token. What? Oh wait. So we need to add an on click. So let's do one thing. That let this stay that. And let's do one thing. Say buttons dot wait do it here, say buttons dot that add event listener click and say that screen value plus equals the button dot target that inner text. Okay, now let's try. So it's not working. Okay, so let's go with the flow and don't actually get into all of this. Okay, so if, then let's change it and say that. So I'll say screen value plus equals the button text. Okay, and I'll say that screen. So screen the value value equals the screen value should be. So there we go, and let's go. Okay, so let's say boom. Okay, and say else if, and if it's a plus sign. So I'll just skip it to the next and I'll meet you there once I've written this. Okay, so I'm back, I've written it, and as you can see, here we go. So multiplication, the clear, the plus, the division, the minus equals to, and so let's get to the logic. Okay, now if the button text is this, then the screen value plus equals the button text, and the screen means the input, that value equals the screen value. Okay, so screen that value and screen value are two different variables. Okay, and they type the clear button or should be rough, so screen value equals none. Okay, and if plus, then plus, the division, then division. So it's adding to the screen value, and the screen value is screen that value. Okay, so minus and equals. So equals eval. So eval, what do you mean by eval? So eval is evaluate. Okay, so evaluate means whatever you write in this, it will execute it. So if I say alert, if I say, so wait for a second, if I comment this all out and just say that eval prompt, that's it. So now if I say prompt, so what should be there? So if I say alert hi, so it will say hi, as you can see. So I'll explain what happened. So eval means whatever in this bracket will be purely JavaScript. So if I say in string prompt this, okay, so what it will do, it won't count this as a string, it will count it as JavaScript. Okay, so if I say something like blah blah blah, whatever, so it will actually convert the string into JavaScript. Okay, so that's what eval is, my friend. So eval will convert string to actually evaluate it in JavaScript. Okay, So that is what it is. So else if button text equal to means the string equal to, then screen that value means the input value equals eval means evaluate the screen value. Okay, means this variable. Okay, else if just okay. So why did I did this? Okay, if I didn't have the emojis there, I didn't have to actually do it. Okay, so if I didn't have the plus sign, if I just had this plus sign, then I didn't have to convert it. Okay, I just say that screen value plus equals the button text for all of us. Okay, so for this do this. Okay, and else, so I just have to do that. So if blah blah blah, and say if true, screen that value plus equals button text, and screen that value equals screen value, and just add this equals to sign. Okay, so else if, so these signs are natural to JavaScript, like this, and the numbers. So numbers you write in there because there aren't emojis. Okay, so wait. Okay, so where was I? Yep. So now let's test it out. So I save the file. Yep, so Control S to save. Let's say 6 plus 6. Okay, so it's going pretty cool. And boom, there we go, guys. That's it. Woo! Plus, I'll say 19. And there we go, guys. Okay, we have done it. Equals to so it gave us the error. So okay, so what we did here is one good thing, that see what happened in JavaScript is we got the screen, we got the buttons, and we made a variable called screen value, and then say a for loop in which item so means for loop. So item means the button. Okay, so button that add event listener. So click, so basically means when someone clicks on it, run this function with E. So E means basically the specific ID. Okay, so and when we say arrow function and then say button text equals E the target, that inner text means the text in the item. Okay, so yep, and then we say and then we console log it, and now the main game starts. We say that if the button text equals a heavy multiplication sign, then change it to the button text the multiplication star sign. Okay, and then add the screen variable value the button text. Okay, so if I just use simple these signs, like not using the multiplication and use the star sign, it would have looked dumb, but you know, I wouldn't have to write these if else statement wrong, but I do, so I will. Okay, so if the button text equals the C, then rough everything, and the screen value equals the screen value every time. Okay, so means the input value equals our variable screen value. Okay, and if the plus, then change it to the minus plus, and same with the division. So slash doesn't look good, that's why. Okay, so still it prints slash, but it looks like division sign, so it's pretty cool. Same with the minus and equal. I hope you understand it. Okay, and that's it for this video, guys, and I have my Discord link, you can join me at it, and like, share, comment if you have any questions, or if you want to make any project. Please subscribe my channel, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.